Hi single Sagittarius, this is your love tarot cards reading by Emma for the month of September 2021. Let me draw 4 cards representing 4 weeks, and from there, Sag, 5 of Wands for you, and 10 of Swords, 5 of Swords, and 2 of Cups. 6 of Pentacles, give and take energy, very nice one. Right, let me pair these cards and from there we'll see. Now 5 of Wands with the Star, 10 of Swords with Ace of Pentacles, 5 of Swords with King of Pentacles, and 2 of Cups with 10 of Pentacles. Quite lovely energies that you have within yourself, Sag. Now Knight of Pentacles, knowing exactly what are you doing, where you going, to, or what you going for. This is slow movement, okay, energy that moves slowly but moves with certainty, very grounded energy, knowing practically what you want from your life, from your relationship, from another one, okay, because this is give and take energy. Somebody is giving you that what you were in a need and you are accepting it. Quite a good, nice relationship that we do have in here with another sort of agreement. This is not a love relationship, but I feel that you do have another one who is perhaps more friendly, or maybe something around your business. There is another one that you can rely on. As I said, I cannot see love relationship in here, but by all means, it's very positive. You can rely on another. Somebody is there always when you are in need. This is helping hand. And you are certain with it. You are moving forward with that, what this one is helping you with. Whatever it is, money, some sort of opportunity that somebody brings to you that you really needed, anything, okay? You are relying on that, what another one is bringing. I'm talking August, somebody brought opportunity for you. No, this isn't opportunity. This is the real deal, something that is manifesting, that is practical. You see what I'm saying? Job, money, that something that you needed and somebody provided. You can, as I said, rely on this person. And perhaps that is energy that you are bringing into this month and as well. Okay, that's what you inherited. You trust another, and it's good that you know that you've got somebody who can stand by you. That's lovely. Bring some sort of certainty. No, the Star energy, very romantic one. I love Star energy, but it doesn't have any sort of certainty with it. It is kind of hopes and dreams and the romantic feelings, things like that with Star energy. And it seems to me it brings kind of havoc in your life, brings conflict within you. Maybe, as I said, you do have a person that you relied on somewhere in August. That person was really there for you, and perhaps you do have now feelings, you do have these ideas, you've got this platonic, lovely, romantic feelings now about this person. It's just born because this person was there for you selflessly with a 6 of Pentacles somewhere in August. But your world is now out there very much problematic, very much chaotical. You don't know what to do with yourself. Yeah, everything is very romantic. You're romantic. You've got these lovely feelings. You've got dreams about this person. You kind of having ideas, but just for yourself about that person, what relationship would be like, or things like that. But chaotic moment in your environment. You don't know what to do, how to behave from now on. Can you now be still friend with this person? Can you still do business with this person? You are total mess. You cannot control yourself to carry on just doing business, carry on just talking normally, just friendly, just business. Impossible from now on, from this first week of September, just because you are dreaming about this person, you are kind of romantic. But lovely Ace of Pentacles, it is kind of proposal. You do have it in yourself. It seems to me you are ready to come up with, with truth, just to say, look, I really like you. look, I have feelings for you. That's kind of readiness that you have within yourself. You are ready to offer, you are ready to propose, let's date. You know, that kind of moment, second week of September. And it seems to me this is difficult energy. 10 of Swords is difficult, but it's end to it. Still paining, okay, you did have something very painful. Perhaps this person helped you to go through something that was painful in your life, or not, it doesn't matter. But still, that pain, that worries about whatever that you did have in your life, still stand there in the second week of September. Though, as I said, it's last, you have awareness that it's not going to be anymore, because there is this Ace of Pentacles within you. Okay, you are aware there is no more these troubles that you used to have, whatever it is. Perhaps maybe it's just that you did have troubles just because you were single for too long. Maybe that, that bothered you, or could be anything. 10 of Swords is very unhappy, unhealthy, difficult, stabbing in the back, energy that is very misfortunate, and it's painful. It's last, it's no more. That's your understanding. Second week of September, it is a new day, it's something else for you. New life, easier life, happier life. No more troubles, no more worries with this. And your understanding, as I said, you are here ready to propose, to date, to feel good, to understand that from now on you will feel good. There will be another one, there will be happiness. We are talking real deal manifestation in your life that you have in mind. Second week of September. Another unpleasant energy I really dislike, this mid-September with 10 of Swords, with 5 of Swords. Okay, jealousy, envy, unpleasant communication, this winner, another one is loser. You see what I'm saying? That is really not happy, healthy energy here in your environment. It seems to me there are people, perhaps stabbing in the back was there, something that, this is pointing fingers, this is jealousy, this is argument in that sort of sense. Who's gonna win this situation over? Who's gonna have a better argument? Another one is loser, bring another one down. You might be winner in here because you are with King of Pentacles. So I suppose that you will be that one who is benefiting out of that very unpleasant conversation. You will win over. You will be, one who won this conversation, this argument. But there is very unhappy people that you are leaving behind. You brought somebody down. You made that another one look like loser, feeling very bad. That side. But as I said, King of Pentacles is within you. You are very grounded. You know what to do. And if you do that, if you are pointing fingers and you say something to another that will bring him down, you've got the right to do that, because perhaps you are talking truth here. You know what you say. You know what the values are. Somebody was doing something behind your back, okay, or talking something ugly about you. You are bringing it up and you are chasing this person away. Go away, never to see you again. And you're doing it with this certainty. You're very grounded. You know what you do. You are not kind of no, you're angry and you are saying things. No, you are ready to say what you know. You are ready for it. You are not shaken with the situation. Very stable energies that you have within yourself, but you will be adamant. You will be even rude, perhaps, here with this energy. Look, as I said, you've got lovely energies within yourself. It seems to me, somewhere from last week, thanks to another person that helped you with something, you are on your new path. Okay, your new goals, your new life that you see for yourself. Maybe you do see a relationship with another person. Maybe you simply see another way of life, even as a single Sagittarius. But there is then opening for something better, to meet another. This is a new situation in your life, perhaps. Because there is 10 of Pentacles after that. Again, groundness, security, too many Pentacle cards for you, and beautiful ones. I really feel that you are completing something. You are beginning something. New job, new opportunity for your life. Maybe another person, but not before end of the month. Okay, I believe Libra did have exactly the same thing. meeting another one at the end of the month, but big change, personal change, I think that you are going through, Sag. Without that, you won't be able to meet another one. You have to go through these changes. Without these changes, it wouldn't happen. For somehow, I really felt like that. Maybe you did have these sabotaging energies in your environment, other people talking something ugly behind your back. And you are dealing with that. Third week of September, perhaps, could be something like that. But by all means, there is transformation, there is change. You are going into something else. But this is kind of business. This is manifestation. This is concrete stuff that are happening in your life. Concrete change that you have for yourself. Could be money related, business related, personal status as well. I love this Two of Cups with Ten of Pentacles. It seems to me that by the end of the month, by the end of September, you will feel that you managed to complete, to put things together. All right, whatever that is, for yourself. That's what you wanted to put together, to stabilize your life. Okay, to begin in a different way, that just the way you dreamed about, with another person, to begin to date another person in a way, to kind of clear the way, clear this debris in your life so you can date that person, that particular person perhaps that you met in August, maybe something like that you had to clear this debris, which is gossip, obstructions, worries, something which is related to other people. These are very unhealthy energies here that we have with other people, but you are solid, you are doing it because you trust that person, and by the end of the month you completed everything, whatever that you wanted to do. Sort things out with people, have another one, together with you, because you are together with this person. Maybe it's not relationship yet, it's not maybe committed relationship yet, but you people are together, perhaps you are dating, you feel good about each other. It is just about to be relationship, and with these two, it is promising, very promising, that this relationship with this person will grow into committed relationship, into something much more, much better. Okay, it is just the beginning. I don't say it's something wrong. No, nothing is wrong, but this is very beginning. But sits on that completion, on that change that you wanted for yourself. You've done it well, and by the end of the month you do have another person. Perhaps you did have that person on your mind, okay, from August. I really kind of feel that somebody was backing you there with something that you were in a need. Somebody stood by you, and you kind of saw your soulmate, person that you really like. You wanted a relationship with this person. It seems to me there was a gossip, that was something, you had to clear your name. I kind of feel that you had to clear your name, and bring yourself in harmony with this person, in balance with this person, and you've done it. Makes you very happy, very successful. You will feel good about yourself successful, grounded. If you want this relationship, you are going for it, and it's very nice. It is kind of a beginning of something beautiful, very much a relationship in the making. Lovely. Enjoy it, Sag.